Welcome to Richer is Better. On our channel, we cover topics on personal finance and the stock market. We give simplified definitions and explanations of financial language to demystify the stock market, like the meaning of securities, mutual funds, private equity, inflation, and so on. We also give weekly summaries on the stock market, cover the top news of the week, and give you a heads up of the upcoming earnings reports. So without further ado, here's the weekly summary for January 11th to 15th. Overall, it was red across the board, which means that the markets closed at a lower value than where they started at the beginning of the week. In North America, the Toronto Stock Exchange closed at minus 0.92%, and the S&P 500 index closed at minus 1.76%. Over in the East, the UK FTSE index closed at minus 2.49%. The French CAC 40 closed at minus 2.48%. And the German DAX closed at minus 2.07%. And in South Africa, it closed at a positive 0.05%. This upcoming week, there are going to be some interesting report earnings. So on Monday, Logitech is going to release their earnings. Then on Tuesday, there's going to be Netflix, Goldman Sachs, and Interactive Brokers. On Wednesday, it will be Procter & Gamble and Morgan Stanley. On Thursday, it will be Intel, and on Friday, Kia Motors Corp will be releasing their earnings report. So that's all, folks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful and want more videos, please like and subscribe so that you can easily find more of our videos. See you in the next one.